Pacie in the City YouTube channel.
Hey, Pacie.
Hi, guess what's behind me today?
What's behind you?
Smiley the Happy Mail.
You got some happy mail there?
Oh yeah.
What do you think it is?
I don't know. It's a big box. But a long time ago, I used to get baby boxes.
All right, are you ready to open it?
Yes, I want to open it right now.
Okay, put it on the floor.
Okay.
Be careful. Okay. Now let's open it.
Huh?
What is it?
I don't know. It looks kind of weird.
Move your hand. Light and Flight Discovery Globe.
Can I see it?
Yes. Okay, hold on. Let me help you get it out.
Okay.
What did you get there, Pace?
I got birch.
No, it's VTech.
VTech, and we got glittery light and flight discovering globe.
And what's a globe, Pacie?
The United States.
Not the United States, but it's the map of the world. It shows all of the world. So we'll take it out of the box, and we'll have to get some batteries to make it work, okay?
Mama, don't leave yet.
Why? What's up?
Vera, do not leave yet. Look, it's pink.
Yep, there's some lights, basic geography, fun facts, people and languages, famous places, music of the world.
And by the way, Mommy.
What, baby?
Look, we can use it as a night. We can use it as a night.
Okay, we'll see. All right, I'll help you take it out of the box, okay? All right, Pacie, did you get your globe out of the box?
Yes!
And what do you like about it so far?
It has Africa and what it can do.
Ready for an adventure?
Oh, cool. So this little thing flies around the airplane, right? And you can control it. Nice. And it shows you north, south, east, and west. And it has all these different little things.
Fun facts.
Fun
Use
facts.
the joystick to fly your plane. Then press the enter button to play.
What enter button?
Australia.
Nice.
Discover languages. In Spain, many people speak Spanish. To
Isn't that
say
cool?
thank you in Spanish, say,
Gracias.
can you help me find the people who speak Spanish?
Okay, find Spain.
Spain.
That will be in Europe.
No, I don't see Spain.
Let's see. Be careful. Get it here. It's up here. Hold on. Go around. Hold on. Go up and let it move around. Here. This is Europe, the red part, the red country.
Found Europe.
Find it. I want to visit the Australian people who live in Australia.
Isn't that
Who
cool?
should I visit?
Where's Australia at, Pace?
I just saw it somewhere.
Be gentle.
North America, that's us, but I don't see Australia.
It should be on near here. Australia's right here.
Australia.
Alrighty, Pacie. So why did we get this globe for you?
Because I want to look up so close and see all of the words.
So you've been interested in looking at maps, right?
Yeah.
So Mommy and Daddy got you a globe to learn about the entire world, right?
Mommy, there's a mirror. Want to see kids?
Yeah, it's like a magnifying glass, right?
I want to look closely.
Okay. All right, so what do you say to Mom and Dad for your little surprise?
Thank you.
You're welcome, sweetheart.
Thank you everyone liking my video. Bye-bye. Click the bell, please. Thank you. Bye-bye. Love you. Jolly. Like and subscribe. Jolly.